Hi, welcome to the Healing Path. My name is Christina. So today we're just going to talk about humming and we're going to practice it for a moment. I know, humming. Like, what do you need to practice humming for? Well, it's very relaxing, first of all, as a practice. It's very, very helpful. And there's a few ways you can do it. They've been studying this, and there's a book by Jonathan and Andy Goldman. Those are the people who introduced me to specifically, Jonathan Goldman introduced me to humming as a practice during my sound healing certification that I got some years ago in Encinitas, California. Anyway, and I had kind of joked about it, like we're gonna practice humming. I thought it was kind of silly, and then when we did it, I was sitting in a chair and I was having trouble staying awake while we were doing this. We just did it for a few moments, and it floored me. So it is also healing. And if you know anything about cats and their purring and how they've proven scientifically that the cat's purr can be healing, it's the same concept, only you can do it for yourself. So how wonderful is that? It's free, it's easy, and you can do it anywhere, most anywhere. I mean, I guess if you have a partner, it might be harder to do this at night. If you're in the bed and you wake up and you need to try to go back to sleep, you could use humming. If you sleep by yourself, then hey, go for it. Hum all night. um, but you can. It might be harder to hum on a bus or in a public place, but you can hum in your car. I like to hum in my car a lot, and that helps me deal with traffic and just all the things involved with being annoyed with people while I'm driving. So anyway, let's practice humming and talk about just for a moment the point or the way that you hum. You want to feel a vibration in your nose, like kind of behind your nose. So you don't have to hum really loud. And if you don't feel the humming inside, behind your nostrils, back here behind your nose, then you want to adjust the tone of your humming. So I'll let you figure that out. And we'll just talk about the different ways. So one of the ways that you can do it is just by putting your fingers in your ears, and you can make it louder. Obviously, you can do it without putting your fingers in your ears. You don't have to put your fingers in your ears, but you can do it. So this is the second way, without your fingers, with your fingers, or we can put your thumbs in your ears and put your fingers over your eyelids and hum. We'll just do a few rounds of this. Well, actually, let's do all of them. Okay. So we'll just take a moment to do it. It won't be a lot, but we'll take a few minutes to practice the different ways. Okay. So either sitting, standing, or lying down, however you're comfortable, it doesn't matter, because meditation and breath work is just you doing this work and redirecting your focus. So it doesn't matter to me if you're sitting or laying down or standing. All right, let's get started. So we'll take a deep breath in through the nose. Exhale out of the mouth. Begin to relax. And for this first one, we're just going to practice humming. So on an inhale, exhaling. Again, deep breath in. Humming out. One more like this. Breathe in. Hum out. Just relax for a moment. Let that hum go. You can gently crack your eyes open if you like. Otherwise, you don't have to. So now we'll practice just putting our fingers in our ears. We'll do 3 rounds together. So close the eyes down. Take a deep breath in through the nose. Exhale, hum. Inhale. Exhale, hum out. One more. All right. Take that in for a moment. And then we'll practice thumbs in the ears, fingers over your eyelids. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, hum. One more. And then let that humming go. Feel those sensations in your body. And you can gently crack your eyes open. How did it go? Hopefully you're relaxed, more relaxed than you were, right? Well, this is just one of the many ways that you can use your own body for free to relax, center, and ground yourself, and to help your nervous system to regulate itself. So I wish you much peace with your practice, and I look forward to more videos helping you relax. If you want to work with me individually, privately, you can get a hold of me through my channel here or my website, christinalong.com. And I will happy humming. Like and subscribe for more.